I feel like it makes my head look really small. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys how I did my protective style in my hair. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I just came up with this hairstyle like while I was filming it, and I think it came out so adorable. Will I do this hairstyle again? 110%. This is the style that I did. So if you want to see how I did this beautiful protective style on my medium length natural hair, make sure you just keep on watching. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to be putting this beautiful crazy afro into a protective style. I'm just going to show you guys how we do it. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair across the crown. So my crown is about right here, and I'm just going to part it halfway down. So I like to start from the ear and go up. I also love to use this. This makes parting my hair so much easier. It's so hot right now, so I just cannot wait to put this hair up and get it out of the way. I'm really just feeling for the parts. I can't really see it, but I can feel what I'm doing, and that's just what I'm going off of, the feeling. So this is what I have as my first section of my hair. Oh my god, it's about to start pouring rain, you guys. I need to close my windows. Hold on. So I just sectioned off just the front of my hair. Instead of using the clip, I'm actually gonna put this into one big scrunchie. So now I'm gonna turn around. I like to do the back first and then come back around to the front because my neck gets really hot. I typically don't use a mirror when I'm doing the back of my hair. I will show you guys how I kind of feel out the back of my head. Like I'm kind of feeling it out with my fingers to see if the parts are gonna be straight. If they're not straight, you guys, my bad. So I just cut off my first section. What I'm going to do is I want to moisturize this just a little bit so that as it's staying, it's not like drying out. So I'm going in with the Natural Curl Define Cream. It really doesn't matter as long as you have something that's going to moisturize your hair. I'm focusing this on my roots. And then I'm also going to make sure it gets onto my ends. Alright, now my hair is nice and stretched, it's nice and soft, it feels so good. I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2-strand twist from the back.
Perfect.
Now that the back of our hair is nice and twisted, we're gonna take out this front section Alright, so this is the front of our hair. But we're gonna also separate this kind of into like 3 parts. I'm gonna do like one middle section. So where this part is, so I'm gonna feel it here. I feel this. And I'm gonna basically part down. I can feel it. And part down. Alright, so that's not the best part, but it's good enough for me. So I'm going to take all of this and I'm going to tie it up. Same thing, I'm going to put some of this Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream in this section, focusing it onto my roots. And let's make sure we get it on the ends. Gotta hit those ends, they're looking really dry.
Perfect.
I pull the whole thing down, I take a look, and I want the twist to go like this. So I'm just gonna take and part down here like that. So I'm just gonna part this section off. Just drop your comb, just drop your comb, boom. We got a nice little part. So for this twist, you guys, make sure you're twisting inside because it's gonna go down and then back up. Make sure you're twisting in towards the part. Now you're gonna go up. So I twist it and then I begin twisting up. And the same thing we did with the other twist, what we're going to do is we're going to twist this all the way down and then turn that into a Bantu knot. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. I got my length coming in, y'all. My length is definitely coming in. Alright, so we have this just one little piece left in the center of our head, and with this piece we can get creative with it. I haven't done this before, but I'm going to do this down the middle. It looks like I have a little bit of flaking in the center of my head, so I'm just going to put a little bit of my favorite Jamaican black castor oil in my scalp. It looks a little bit dry there. And essentially, I'm just going to do 2 twists going back and Bantu knotting it. So they're both going to be going inward. Alright, so we have one more twist to do, and I actually never did my hair like this before, so I actually try to focus the twist to be like more towards the outside rather than being in the center. I kind of want to have like a little slick little situation going on. last but not least, you know, we never do a style without laying our edges. So let's just go and take a moment to make sure our edges are laid here. So I'm just using some of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey 24-hour hold. Alright you guys, so my edges are laid. I'm gonna throw these earrings on to kind of spice up the look a little bit, you know. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. And I'm just gonna do a little 360. This is what the back is looking like. So I absolutely love this hairstyle because what's nice is if it starts to get like a little messy, all you have to really do is take each one out and do it over. Another benefit of this hairstyle is that if you were to take it out, it would be a beautiful, beautiful twist out. But for me personally, I love this for the summertime when it's really hot and you really just want your hair out of the way. This is beautiful for work. I love to wear my hair like this when I'm going to work, which I will be starting work back any day now. Yay! I would absolutely love to know what you guys think about this protective style. Leave me some comments and feedback down below. How would you have done this differently? Because of course you could do different variations of the same exact style. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye!